It's an early morning at my mother-in-law's village. You can see the beautiful background, the birds. uh, there is no there is no heavy noise of vehicle. I always thoroughly enjoy myself, being here. Every morning, I'll sit here for 1 hour. It rejuvenates me, and I feel so blessed to be here. And that is a place where I sit. That is my, and this is the lemon tree. You can see beautiful lemon tree here, and total greenery. We have to connect ourselves with nature. When we connect with nature, lots and lots of uh, new thoughts will come, lots and lots of new ideas will come. So always we have to be with nature, and we have to save nature, and we need to stop using plastic, avoid plastic. Thank you all.